I'd have a story today. I don't. I didn't have one. I gotta think of something. Nobody answered anything. Oh, I said. So, I don't know about a story yet, but we'll see. The sun's wild and the birds are loud, and it's not raining. December, what's today? 22nd? Y'all have a beautiful day. Order your seeds now.